Good Tuesday, everyone. Here's a look at the latest cloud cover affecting southern Africa at the moment. This is our enhanced satellite loop. We're tracking two separate cold fronts, providing a very autumn-like chill to many locations across the southern Cape. This first initial cold front will provide up to a 60% chance of rain overnight between East London and Durban. Our secondary cold front, with a reinforcing shot of cool air, will allow for isolated rain showers for the south coast, stretching towards Cape Town. Not much cloud cover across the northern highveld regions, just fine and dry weather overnight from Gauteng through Mpumalanga, Limpopo, and much of the northwest province. The South African Weather Service has issued one weather alert valid tonight. This is a warning for rough seas. This is between Hunter Bay and East London. The total seas on the open ocean could exceed 4 to 6 meters at times. Here's our latest FutureCast map, and as I set it in motion, you can see how these cold fronts continue to progress throughout South Africa. Anywhere that I've just highlighted, we have chances of rainfall for the middle of your work week, showers for Durban, East London, Port Elizabeth, as well as George. However, we do have dry weather in the forecast along the west coast, stretching towards Cape Town. Sunny conditions across the central interior, and sunny and warm weather predicted for both Pretoria and Johannesburg. Chances of rain tonight will be greatest across the Garden Route and the eastern Cape Coast, stretching towards southern KwaZulu-Natal. We have a 40% chance of rain surrounding that, and still up to a 20% chance of rain along parts of the west coast, as well as the city bowl of Cape Town. Here's your meteo vision. It brings us into Durban, 17 degrees, mostly cloudy skies, on and off again rain showers. Remember, we have up to a 60% chance of rain, and temperatures really only warming a couple of degrees this Wednesday, with a daytime high predicted at 19. But look at our southwesterly wind, expected between 30 and 40 kilometers per hour. You can actually see that southwester pick up along the east coast with our wind stream map as I advance this over the next day. The longer wind arrows and the shading of orange and yellow indicating our stronger wind gusts. Southwesters for this region. Counterclockwise winds across the northern highveld, but southeasters dominate the western half of the Republic. Temperatures will be chilly overnight, dropping into the single digits for many locations across the Free State, the Northern Cape, and the interior of the Eastern Cape. 14 overnight for Pretoria, 8 for George, 12 degrees for Cape Town. Daytime highs will still be warm across the northern highveld, Gauteng province in the upper 20s and lower 30s, but compare that to the middle and upper teens across the southern Cape. 17 for both PE and George, Graaff-Reinet a cool 14 this Wednesday. Your extended outlook: rain along the east coast, cooler weather and wet conditions settle into Gauteng, but drying out near the southwestern Cape, all the way to 25 by Friday for Cape Town.